But for the current expenditure, salaries and other things like transport, it does not make economic sense to borrow money from other countries or locally. That is why we have had this challenge of release of money for capitation, because we have to collect this money from the people of Kenya. So we want to ask you to bear with us, but I'll seek an intervention later this evening with our CS so that our institutions are able to progress without too much difficulties. Kwa hivyo mimi nimeshukuru sana na watu ya Mkurueni, vile imesemekana hii shule iko hapa kwenu. Ni makosa kubwa ya kwamba tukiwa na wanafunzi 2,000 na hii shule iko hapa nje kwenu, watu wa Mkurueni muko 200. Hao wengine 1,800 wametoka kwingine, na ni sawa. Lakini kwa sababu iko capacity ya 5,000, I agree with the Honorable Kagusha. Watu ya Mkurueni mujaza hii pahali kwanza. Kaiwega uma kanako. Egemi. Yanagelia. Sasa hii shule inajulikana. In fact, this great county of Nyeri, because I come from here, and I'm very proud to come from here, and I have no apologies to make to anybody. There's a land of freedom fighters, the land of heroes, the land of straight shooting people, the lands of courageous people, the land that has no time for cowards. We in this great county are very proud of two things from Mkurueni. The success of this TVET, because it's doing very well in the country. With 2,000 enrollment, it has put Nyeri in the national map. We are very proud of this institution. Number two, we are very proud of the success